me.
How?
I am Anas.
And I am Guiomar.
Today is Wednesday, 20th of December to 2023. Today news are
Exchange market at the Institute.
Christmas Day at the Institute.
Israeli soldiers have attacked Gaza.
A baby was swept a tornado.
The weather on Christmas Day.
The Bulgari in a tragic ending.
We will talk about the artist Taylor Swift, who was made a lot of money with her new song.
The group de Rosetta de present with the new album.
We will talk about sports,
Drink, fountain, Winton, and water left.
Today in Pedro, let's connect with Ismael. She will explain the exchange market at the Institut Manuel del Pedrolo.
Pedrolo News, second-hand clothes market. On the 15th of December of 2023, Institut Manuel de Pedrolo organized an activity exchanging second-hand clothes. This activity was a success, and students and teachers enjoyed a lot. Christmas activities. The teachers are going to organize lots of activities on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of December 2023. We're going to do
Day 1 and Day 2 English project all today. Day 3 we're going to do finish up English project, watch your videos, popular breakfast, games, invisible friend, songs, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Espera, que no se veu tota la foto. Se ve
Esteu gravant?
Vale, no.
Qui li ha donat a gravar?
Merda, estem gravant.
No, està parat.
Que no!
Ui, me cago. Thank you, Ethan and Ismael. It's very fun.
In international news today, Israel soldiers have attacked Gaza and more than 100 people has been killed.
Let's hear more from our report Naira.
Thanks you. As you said, Israel soldiers have attacked Gaza in order to conquer the center of Jan Yunis. They have entered the city with tanks and have shot the inhabitants and two hospitals. In less than 24 hours, they have killed a lot of people.
Thanks, Naira.
We will follow this story and bring you updates. Now, let's check the breaking news of the day.
Now we connect with Nora. She will explain the news of a baby was swept off by a tornado.
Thanks. Last week, the tornado that happened in Tennessee in the United States swept away a baby called Lord and his family. But luckily, no one was injured and the baby was found safe next to a tree.
Thank you, Nora. It's very good that everyone is safe. Now back to regular.
No.
We'll now connect with Roger and Agustin, who will tell us about her winter of Christmas night.
Very good night. Today we will talk about the weather on Christmas Day, Monday, December 21st.
The temperatures will vary between 15 and 6 degrees. In general, it will be a sunny day, and the force of the wind will be between 13 and 28 kilometers per hour. In the morning, the sky will be a little overcast, but in midday, it will be completely sunny.
Also in the north of Catalonia. Hermano, el Ryan, loco. Also in the north of Catalonia, it will rain, so if you want to travel this Christmas to the north, forget your umbrella. Although the rain will help to reduce the drought.
Thanks, Agustin and Roger. On Christmas night, it's very, very cold. Now in the local news, we will connect with Paula and Ismael, who will tell about what happened last night in Tárrega.
Last night, two robbers entered into an old man's house to rob his house.
The old man has a gun. The old man tries to kill the robbers, but the robbers kill the old man with his gun.
We will also connect with the Ethan, who has interviewed the board of old man who has died.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Do you live nearby? What did you hear that night?
I heard gunshots. I was very scared.
Did you call the police?
Yes, I did, and later I heard the police cars.
What happened later?
I don't know.
Goodbye. Thanks, Ethan. We are sad for the old man.
Today in culture and entertainment, connect with an ask that will tell us about a very well-known artist.
Hello, I am Anas. The artist Taylor Swift has created a song that earned $1 million, and she has spent that money on a Lamborghini. And with the money left of the show about a feedback on Amazon, and said that she has earned a lot more money.
Let's connect with Shaila, who will tell us how the Terraceta de Presents group created a new album.
A group called the Terraceta de Presents fans wanted to make a new album, but the band doesn't want to do it, but its fans embarrassed him.
Thanks, Shaila. Now it's the sport. Now we connect with Guillem and Ryan.
Hello everybody, good night, and today we're gonna explain about sports. First of all, in football, in La Liga classification, Real Madrid is in first place with 42 points. Girona is 1 point below Real Madrid, and Barça is third. However, in the women's team, they are first. In the NBA standings, in basketball, the Celtics go first, the Bucks second, and the 76ers go third. And the last signing of the NBA is Harden to the Clippers.
The director of Ducati of MotoGP confirms the change of bike between Honda and Ducati, and it seems that Mark is doing much better. Boxing. Sandor Martin wins his match against Mohamed Al Marchoui with an impressive Mohamed Al Marchoui with an impressive KO. The new youngest boxing champion is Haney. He is only 23 years old. Bye.
Bye.
Soy Esteban Ryan.
Stop, torneu-hi, venga.
Hermano, espérate. ¿Cuándo es pausa y cuándo es esto?
Guillem, a marxa.
Bye bye, everyone.
No, thanks, Guillem and Ryan.
Thanks, Guillem and Ryan. Pausa esto.
Oh, look at that man! Look him, he's alone. Let's search for Mr. Abdul. Okay.
And I'll prepare my little secret.
Would you like to come to our Christmas dinner?
Of course. Oh, thank you. It was so good. But we still need my little secret. Ferrero Rocher. Golden moments and delicious memories.
Good morning. Her name is Nadia and my name is Julia. Today is Wednesday at 10 o'clock. Now we will be talk about the fire at the Manuel de Pedrolo High School that killed 100 students.
Boys, tell us a little more about this fire. You are here?
More than 100 students died in a fire.
This morning, in the Instituto Manuel de Pedrolo, some students were doing an experiment with fire in school lab.
When they finished, they left the fire on, and that's when the fire took place. The students evacuate but don't have time.
They are now studying online.
As Nadia said, some terrorists arrived tonight at around 12 at night with guns and razors, while the inhabitants were enjoying the streets decorated for Christmas.
Thank you, Fatna and Alex. Next piece of news is about a truck that has derailed its trailer on the road from Vilagrasa to Tárrega this morning.
How strong? Tell us a little more. How strong? Tell us a little more. How strong?
Thanks, Julia. Now, in this morning at 6 o'clock, the trailer of a truck has derailed at kilometer 0.4. This success has happened because the trailer was not properly attached, and the truck braked because a board was passing by. All this triggered the incident. Until within a few hours, the road will be closed and there have been no victims. I give it back to you, Julia.
Thank you. Now we will talk about Paupaterres.
Thanks, Nadia and Julia. Today we will talk about Paupaterres. Paupaterres is a music festival which usually takes place in the summer. This year they have decided to make an edition for Christmas that consists of music groups coming to the city of Tárrega. When they do this festival, usually songs from their group, but since this year is for Christmas, they will do a Christmas version. It will be held on December 22, 23, 24 at the Nations in Tárrega from 7 p.m. to 12 o'clock in the morning. Goodbye.
What the summer will be. Now let's move on to sports. Yesterday was a very important day because it was the day of the marathon. Eloy, explain more.
What fun! Now we will talk about the match.
Hello! Thanks! The other 17 December, Catalonia celebrated the annual marathon running for 23 years. It consists for raising money to help. This year, they aim to fight to sexual and reproductive health. In the afternoon street of Tárrega has activities to help collect money. On these activities was to watch Barça and Madrid football match. The results was 3-0. Barça win. Debacle Garcia Fernan Torres scored. Debacle scored in 15 minutes, Garcia in minute 18.5 and Fernan Torres in 19 minutes. And finally celebrate the marathon and Barça victory. Thanks for watching.
Hello, his name is Aaron and my name is Ismail, and today I will talk to you about the weather in Urgell. From December 20 to 29, the temperatures will begin to go down. In Oció de Sió, Puigverd d'Agramunt, Anglesola and Bellanes. It will rain 20 liters. There will be storms and strong winds in Anglesola and Tàrrega. It will snow in Tornabous and Fuliola. And lastly, it's going to be hail approximately -3 degrees to 0 in Ciutadilla, Guimerà and Nalec. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this program.
Oh, this is a perfect Christmas tree. Oh, where is my Christmas tree? I have found it. Let's follow the leaf. Why do you cut my Christmas tree? You are a monster.
I'm so sorry, but the first thing you have to do in Christmas is setting up the Christmas tree.
But now I don't have Christmas tree.
I have an idea.
Is one? Yes.
Hello.
Welcome to the cafe.
We want to buy the most beautiful Christmas tree.
Okay, now Arnau is going to show the most beautiful Christmas tree. Okay, now follow me for visit the tree, please. This is the last Christmas tree, and it's economic and helps for the population of the forest and helps the environment.
Every year, 1 million of trees are cut down in Mexico.
And I am Daira. And today we are going to talk about some local news, international news, culture news, sport news, and the weather.
We have breaking news from a kid that was playing in the forest. Diana, are you there?
A kid disappeared in Tárrega. One kid that goes to Instituto Manuel de Pedrolo disappeared in Tárrega when he was playing in the forest. A kid disappeared this morning at Saleroy Park where he was playing with his brother. His brother saw a man grabbing his brother. The brother called the police, but it was too brother called the police, but it was too late because the van had gone. The brother ran to his house and told it all to his father. The police are investigating and searching for information and, of course, can have our support to find the kid if you have an information.
Thank you, Niama. And we have a sad news of Instituto Manuel de Pedrolo.
Attend of Instituto Manuel de Pedrolo brought a gun to school. Yesterday, attend Instituto Manuel de Pedrolo brought a gun to school. And he shot a puppy in the principal hall. The boy is critical in the investigation cared of the hospital and now the Villanova in Lleida. The police have arrested the culprit and now at the institute is very concerned with the incident.
Thank you, Alice.
Now we are going to talk about some local news with Mariana.
Last Saturday, 2 men broke into a house in the capital of Uruguay and shot its owner, killing them. The Mossos de Esquadra investigate the facts and examine the main hypothesis that the criminals entered the property to steal. The victim, an elderly man of 86 years old, has now been revealed. The criminals have fled and their identities are currently not clear.
Thank you, Mariana. We are going with international news.
Now we go out of Catalonia and we are going with Ovalit.
The escapist God has left everyone interested after doing his amazing. In a video posted on the Waves, Mandy Waves has gone a viral after showing a God pressing the speed. The God escapist performed his dash in a very intelligent way. The video has become very popular and people cannot help but express their amazing at the animal's special ability in the video's comment section.
Thank you, Walid. And now our friend Ismael is going to tell us about films.
Tomorrow, Finland will have a celebration for the International Independence Day.
Starting at 4 p.m., the Finland president will speak a discourse of the independence. They will have it in the principal place of Finland. It will be held in Helsinki, the capital of Finland. During the celebration, they will drink glögg and also eat kalakuko, a type of fish. They also will eat mami, which is a traditional Finnish dessert.
Thank you, Ismail. And we are going to explain with our friends the culture news about a new culture event in Tallinn.
Tariga has a new culture event. Alba Pijoan says that the next summer there will be a social event called La Festa de Junts. The social events of Tàrrega are growing with Alba's proposal. It was decided during the ple municipal that the event will take place on the last Monday of the month in Tàrrega's town hall. The young people are very satisfied.
Welcome back. Now let's talk about entertainment news. Today we talk about Lana Del Rey because she is pregnant. The father of the child is Justin Bieber. The singer has chosen to abandon her musical career and focus on the raising the baby that is going to be Olivia. She is very happy to become a mother.
Thank you. And now,
Thank you, Kevin and Iron. And now, me and Paul are going to speak about what has happened in the world of sport today, specifically football. Aitana Bonmatí wins her first golden ball. Aitana Bonmatí wins her first golden ball as a football player in the women Barcelona football team. Aitana coach gave her kiss in the celebration, and she said that he was a crack.
In Group F of the Champions League, two teams are unexpectedly eliminated. In the seventh group of the Champions League, Milan and Newcastle were eliminated from the Champions League. Milan goes to the Europa League and Newcastle doesn't know where to go. Barcelona Football Club lost a match 3-2 against Antwerp, a Belgian team. That was the news of football today. There wasn't so much to report. We wish you a Merry Christmas and we you another day.
thank you, Sarah and Paul. Now is the time of the weather.
Our friend Sofia is going to tell us the weather from this week, month, or tomorrow.
Hello, today is Christmas Day in Tàrrega. It's freezing cold and a little bit snow. In the evening it will be stormy and windy. We are not allowed to go outside at night. It will be cold and rain, so don't forget your umbrella. In Belpuig it's hailing and windy. In the evening it will be rain and freezing. Avoid going outside if not absolutely necessary. Finally, in Agramunt it's cloudy and rainy. In the evening it will be windy. It's a good idea to stay at home. At night it will be rain, but don't worry, Santa will not have a problem delivering your presents. Have a nice Christmas.
I am Kevin.
And I am Nairon.
See you next time.
Aquí és Nadal i estic content perquè se m'han trencat les ales i la cadència del meu temps diria que no m'atabala. Aquí és Nadal i estic content perquè se m'ha acabat l'eufòria i tot el que volia fer no ho tindré si no m'ho tornes. Aquí és Nadal i estic content perquè he perdut totes les ganes i els sopars amb els amics m'aporten més que 10 Nadales.
Petrol Nuggets, making nuggets since 1968.
Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and this is Yasmin. Today we are going to present the news of the day about Institut Manuel de Pedrolo.
The first piece of news is talking about Anuel. Now Dare is going to explain the news. Dare, can you say what happened to Anuel?
Thank you. Now I'm going to explain Pedrolo news. Anuel is in a coma due to illegal substances. Anuel is in a crisis because he has consumed illegal substances in Portugal, Lisboa, on a tour with several other artists, Brian Myers, Ozuna, Arcángel and Bad Bunny, who were with Anuel at the time. On the street of downtown, they caught him taking illegal substances on that street when he fell into a coma. If the famous singer does not wake up from a coma, he could die in less than 2 weeks. If one case he may wake up from a coma, he could live up to 1 or 2 months.
The second piece of news is about international news. Now, Natalia and Adria are going to explain the news.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Now in Dubai, a group of terrorists has blown up a kebab factory. I'm next to the factory that exploded. It was the Emperor boom. Now, thanks to the boom, there are kebabs all over the streets. The boom was manufactured by Juan Garcia and is made of gunpowder, dynamite and hydrogen that he created at home with his friends. Now my friend is going to explain new news to us.
A robot killed 52 people and left 72 injured. Professionals believe that robots could be a threat to everyone. The robot started throwing bombs, shooting and stabbing. It is not who created the robot or why it was created. It is believed that someone created it to destroy humanity and life on Earth. We are investigating who created the robot and why.
Wow, now all the persons can eat kebabs.
The third piece of news is about culture and entertainment. Now, Nelia is going to explain.
Thank you. My name is Noelia. I am going to talk about culture and entertainment news. I am going to start with the culture area. Bad Bunny has made a painting that has become very famous in China. Now the Chinese people are trying to steal it from the National Museum. And finally, we have one more piece of news that is recent of entertainment news. Tom Holland moves to Puerto Rico because he is going to get married to Zendaya and they are going to have a child.
I like this news.
The fourth piece of news is about sports. Now Tariq and Sheila are going to explain.
Thanks. Tárrega Football Club has signed Cristiano Ronaldo on the 25th of December. The footballer is very happy because the other football club teams are very bad playing football. Since he joined this team, he trains a lot and works hard because he wants to give his best version. He's very sad because Tárrega Football Club only pays him 20,000 euros every year and he doesn't have enough money to buy kebabs for all his family. The Arabian League are so angry because they lost their best player. He and his family have moved to Tárrega, so Cristiano can go to football match and training easily. People in Tárrega and the rest of Urgell country are so excited about it. Now Tariq will explain the other sport news.
Thanks, Sheila. The FIFA Association says the World Cup could start on December 25th, 2023 in Brazil because the people are tired of waiting 4 years for another World Cup. From now on, it will be every year. But most football fans do not agree with these decisions because now the World Cup will not be so important and will be very different. In the end, they will negotiate with the country's federations about this decision.
It's interesting news. Thanks.
The last piece of news is about the weather. Now Vanessa and Desiree are going to explain.
Thanks. Now I will explain the weather of Christmas Day. On December 25, it will snow and it will be very cold with a lot of wind. Now my friend Vanessa, it will explain better.
Hi, I give you more information about my friend Desiree said. On 25th of December, it will snow all day, and it will be minus 5 degrees. It will be very cold. The streets will be covered with snow, and the snow will be 13 or 14 centimeters high.
And that's it.
Thanks for your attention and have you a nice Christmas.
I see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Angry with me. They don't want to see me.
Very bad. Nobody has to be alone on Christmas. And if you call your family and solve all the problems?
No, because they are angry with me. They don't want to talk with me. Can we forget all and celebrate Christmas together?
Of course. Now we will pick you.
Hello! Hello! Come in my house.
And remember, Christmas is received, but also is gift.
And is present.
And yes, a girl gave it to me. I'm gonna open it. Infinity, a call can change your Christmas.